guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is either gonna be the dumbest thing I've ever done or the best thing I've ever done. So basically it is basically 1 in the morning, and me being a normal teenager, I basically spend a lot of time on TikTok, and I've been seeing these people who either don't want to dye their hair or just want to see what it looks like, and they buy these root touch-up things that wash out after one wash to see what they would look like, either brunette or blonde. So obviously I am brunette. I do have highlights though, so I'm not as dark, but you can tell my roots are dark. That's my natural hair color. It's pretty. I've always wanted to go blonde, but I'm also really scared as to what it would look like blonde because my eyebrows are so dark, and also commitment is scary. So I thought, what better way to figure out what I would look like as a blonde than with root touch-up at 1 in the morning. So we're gonna see. I don't know. Okay, I don't know if I'm supposed to section my hair first, or should I? Okay, I think I'm gonna go like this. No, this is gonna turn out so bad. Okay, so I bought this blonde temporary highlights is what it's called, in the color Natural Blonde. It says it washes out after 1 shampoo, so we're gonna hope. So it just says, literally just says shake it and then spray. Okay. I don't know if that's right. And it also says it does not damage hair. So I'm scared. Did it do anything? Okay, I'm gonna go get a brush to brush through it. 1 second. Okay. So it feels a little crunchy. It smells like that hair stuff that you get at Party City. So okay. Oh my god, it's like gold paint. I'm going to ditch this idea, and I think I'm just going to spray it because otherwise it's going to waste it. Oh my god, this is the stupidest thing I've ever done. Okay. So hair in half, and I have 2 bottles, by the way. Okay. Oh my god. The fumes are not great. Basically the vibe I'm getting from this is gold spray paint. I mean, like getting there. There's still like, oh my god. My hair is so crunchy. Why did I do this? Oh my god, look at that. Can you see on my hands? Hang on, I'm gonna see if I can. Okay. I don't know if you can see on my fingers, it's literally gold spray paint. I say as like I put more on. So this is what I would look like, not as a blonde, but if I decided to permanently spray paint my roots with glittery gold spray paint. I would say that the bottle is not as advertised. This is not natural blonde. And I'm gonna put some money on it that it does damage hair. And after reading the bottle, this product contains a chemical that is known to cause birth defects and cancer. Here is some somewhat better lighting so you can really see the roots. So here's me as a girl with spray painted roots that are glittery and gold. Please look at my fingers. I don't even know if you can see, but my fingers have gold paint over them. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Pray for my hair that it washes out. Okay, bye.